Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on download over Wi-Fi only on YouTube Music. So, let's get started. Firstly, open YouTube Music app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on downloads and storage. Next, you can see the option of download over Wi-Fi only. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn on download over Wi-Fi only on YouTube Music. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.